everyone, and welcome to the website design training course. And I believe most of us here are using Android phone for this training. So the application that we'll be using is TrebeEdit. And once you download the app, you're going to and you launch it, you're going to have something like this. So after you've opened it, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to click on this menu. You click on this menu, you see learn to code, get code, project, text editor. What we need here is our projects. Then you click on projects. If you click on projects, because I've been working on so many things, that's why you can see this one popping up on your own. You are going to see something like sample folder. You're going to press hold that sample folder. You're going to press hold it, then you will delete. For example, let me press hold this now. Can you see something pop up? Rename, export, compress, delete. So you just click on delete and the folder will be deleted. Then after you've deleted the folder, the next thing you have to do is that you want to create a fresh folder. So you click on this plus sign. Can you see it? You have new projects, new file, import folder, import file. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click on new projects. That's how to create a new folder. So click on new projects. Since that we are just starting, so we are starting with HTML. Let's name our folder HTML level 1 because we are still in level 1. HTML level 1. HTML level 1. Okay, so HTML level 1. Then you click this mark. So project created. Now inside this folder, you click on this folder again, this HTML level 1. Can you see it's empty? Then inside this folder, we want to create a file. You click on this plus sign. Can you see it? Click on the plus sign. Then the next thing is that you are going to click on new file. So let's say our new file is introduction. Then you must add an extension because you are presently dealing with HTML. You're going to type HTML introduction.html, and when you are typing, please ensure that you have a single word. Not that you are going to say introduction to HTML, you now put a space. No, there's something like that. Even if you want to write it, you have to write it together. So what we are going to have is what introduction.html. And if you don't put this extension, it won't even save at all. And if you should write the title maybe in 2 words, the code might run, but it's going to give you problem. So to avoid such, just do it in this way. Then let me save. Can you see it now? I've created a file. So that's the first thing you are going to do.